my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Lambda sensor swap on this Fiat Punto. For this job you're going to need some WD-40, a ratchet, an extension bar, some screwdrivers for the release tabs, a breaker bar, and of course a Lambda sensor removal kit. Lambda sensor removal tools rather, or sockets. Right, the first thing to do is disconnect the Lambda sensor from its mountings. It's got two release tabs, one on the front and one on the rear of the wiring socket. So you need to push one forwards to release it, and then the other one, which is hidden around the back, the Lambda sensor underneath. You need to flick that upwards with a flat blade screwdriver, which you can see me doing there. You need to flick that upwards with a flat blade screwdriver. Otherwise it just won't come off. There are quite a few sockets like that on this car. Two or more release tabs. Right, next thing to do is select a Lambda sensor removal socket from the kit. One that fits rather. There's bound to be one in the kit that fits, and thread it on the wiring until you get it on the socket, just like that. Probably won't come off on the first go, and you're definitely going to need some WD-40 to release it. As you can see there, I'm just trying to remove it with an ordinary ratchet. That doesn't work because it's fused in there with all the heat and rust. Spray some WD-40 on it and wait a couple of minutes. Here you go, WD-40 or any other releasing oil. Then try again with a breaker bar, and that should release it. See there, breaker bar. If it still doesn't come off, wiggle it backwards and forwards a bit. Yeah, and eventually it should release anyway. As soon as it's undone, just unscrew it. Unscrew the Lambda sensor. As you can see me doing there. with the Lambda sensor. Remember to be careful with the connector there. Like I said, it's got two release tabs, one at the front and one at the back. Quite a few tricky sensors on these Fiats. Probably designed to catch people out who don't have the patience, the required patience to work on these cars. Just end up with a bigger bill then. Right, once you've fitted a new Lambda sensor, you need to tighten it with the Lambda sensor tool socket. And reconnect the plug socket. Rear sensor just clicks into place, but you need to slide the front tab downwards. And then secure it to the mounting there, the mounting on the engine block, which stops it flapping about and melting on the exhaust manifold. I'm also securing it with some ties there to its mounting. As you can see me doing that white tie there. That's just added support. Added safety measure, if you like. I'm going to cut off the excess of the tie. That bit there. Right. And that's it. Job done. A good job done. Didn't involve any cutting wires or rushing around looking for help. It's quite a simple job.